In the rapidly expanding industrial landscape of Bangalore, prefabricated warehouses have emerged as a game-changing solution for businesses seeking efficient, cost-effective storage solutions. Among the top prefabricated warehouse manufacturers in the city, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a beacon of innovation and quality. Prefabricated warehouses offer numerous advantages over traditional construction methods, including faster installation, reduced on-site labor, and enhanced flexibility. Scon Design has capitalized on these benefits, delivering state-of-the-art prefabricated warehouses that meet the diverse needs of Bangalore's burgeoning industrial sector. Their warehouses are engineered to withstand the region's unique climate conditions while providing optimal storage environments for a wide range of goods. What sets Scon Design apart is their commitment to cutting-edge technology and sustainable practices. Their prefabricated warehouses incorporate energy-efficient designs, utilizing advanced materials that ensure superior insulation and temperature control. This not only reduces operational costs for businesses but also aligns with the growing demand for eco-friendly industrial solutions in Bangalore. Scon Design's expertise extends beyond mere manufacturing. Their team of skilled engineers and architects work closely with clients to create customized warehouse solutions that perfectly align with specific business requirements. From small-scale storage facilities to expansive distribution centers, Scon Design has demonstrated remarkable versatility in their project portfolio. The company's reputation for excellence is further bolstered by their adherence to stringent quality control measures. Each prefabricated component undergoes rigorous testing to ensure durability, safety, and compliance with international standards. This unwavering commitment to quality has earned Scon Design the trust of numerous high-profile clients across various industries in Bangalore and beyond. In an era where time is of the essence, Scon Design's prefabricated warehouses offer a significant advantage in terms of project timelines. Their streamlined manufacturing and installation processes can reduce construction time by up to 50% compared to conventional methods. This rapid deployment capability is particularly crucial for businesses in Bangalore's fast-paced market, allowing them to capitalize on opportunities swiftly. Moreover, Scon Design's prefabricated warehouses are designed with future expansion in mind. The modular nature of their structures allows for easy modifications and additions, providing businesses with the